Okay, hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create an alert box from scratch. It's actually really easy. So just to kind of start, I'm going to go ahead and start with our layout here that really have nothing to do with the alert box, but just to kind of set up the environment, I added a button and I'm going to call this button show alert. Boom. And what we're going to do now is we're going to create an action for this button. So essentially when we press this button, it's going to show an alert. I'm gonna call this show alert button pressed, and that's it. We've got an action. So how do we create an alert? Really easy. The first thing that we have to do is create the alert, right? So we create a variable of the alert, and the way you do that is you press you right left and you call your alert whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna just call mine alert, and we're gonna make it of type UIAlertController, controller, and we're going to open the parentheses and we want to choose this thing right here, and here we could specify a title. I'm going to call it some title, and the message some message, not very creative. And for UIAlertController style, we're going to put dot alert. It should pop up. There we go, and that's it. We've created our alert. Now to present the alert, it's pretty easy. All we have to do here is say present dot present open parentheses alert comma animated true, and that's pretty much it. We have our alert here. So if I go ahead and launch this in my simulator and I press this button, it'll show an alert. It'll show an alert with the title, some title, and some message. Except I'm sort of screwed here because I can't dismiss this alert at all. So let's add some functionality to the alert box here. Okay, so let's go ahead and stop this. And what we're going to do here is we're going to add some functionality. So to add some functionality, so we've created, first of all, I don't need the split screen anymore. So we've created an alert box right here called alert. And to add functionality to this alert variable, we're going to have to put these functionalities inside a function. So I'm just going to put them in the view.load. Of course, you could put them in any function you like. So how do we do this? We type in alert and it shows the name of our alert right here, and it's of type UIAlertController. We're going to go alert dot add action. And here in here, we're going to put the action that we want. So what we're going to write is we're going to do UI alert action, right? So it's the first one. And then we're going to open parentheses and this shows up, and we're going to press return and we're going to add a title to our alert action. I'm going to say okay. And for style, we're going to put dot default. This is just the style. And the handler here, this takes in a closure and essentially says, what do you want your program to do when the user presses OK. For now, we're going to put nil. So it's not going to do anything. It's just going to dismiss the alert. I'm going to press copy, paste. We're going to press no here. And we're going to run this again. And we'll see what it looks like in a second. This looks slightly better, right? This looks like more of an alert box. Some title, some message, okay, and no. So how do we add some functionality here? So there's a whole bunch of functionality. I'm just going to show you how to call up a function in here as a closure. So I'm going to go ahead and create a function. I'm going to call this func do something, right? It's a simple function that prints out I'm doing something pretty cool here. Hope you enjoy this video and subscribe and hit that like button. So we're printing this out to the console. Okay, so how do we call this function in, let's say, with OK? So instead of nil, we're going to change that to something else. Recall that I said that this requires a closure. So closures have two curly braces. Okay, so this is a closure here, and this might get messy if there's a lot in here. So what I like to do is hit return, so I could kind of see that this parentheses is associated with this, this parentheses is associated with this, and this curly braces is associated with that. And I'll write my code in here, and it's very easy. All you have to do is say action in, all lowercase action in, and then call up the function. Now, since this is a closure, we need the self before. So self dot, and the name of the closure is do something. And that's it. So now when we press OK, it should execute this function. So let's go ahead and bring back our simulator and show alert. If I press no, nothing happens, but if I press OK, it should print something. I'm doing something pretty cool. Hope you enjoyed this video, and subscribe and hit that like button. All right, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.